Hey guys, hope you are doing well. It's Bagelsmith again, and I am back for another One Piece trading card game pack opening. And this time, I've been very diligent and in my efforts to find booster packs. And today, I've got 20 of these guys, and this is just from getting the timing right on visiting my local big box store, and as well as what's it called, Five Below, I think, at least in the states. Five Below, we're offering these online, and I was able to grab I think 10 of them in total. I've got 20 for you today. I got more off screen here. See, I got a ton of them. But these are just the individual blisters that are sold in stores. Yeah, it's really nice packaging. But it's the same as the booster pack wrapping and the booster box. Really cool looking card. And then it's only sealed with one piece of tape in this opening where you would put it on a shelf. And there's the pack of cards that it comes with. So I think to speed this up, I'm actually going to open all these just so I just have the packs ready to go. So that being said, I will see you in a couple minutes here while I get these open. All right, guys. Took me like 5 minutes, but I got them all unpacked. I got 5 in each stack here, so 20 total. Like I said, this should be fun. Should I mix these up a bit? I don't know if people do that. Again, unlike booster boxes, nothing's really guaranteed here in terms of what types of pulls you'll be getting. So it'll be interesting to see. Right, no guarantees, but it means we could get lucky here, and maybe we get more alternate arts or secret rares than we thought. Anyway, let's just start cracking into these. I'll keep these off to the side. Yeah. Still looking for. I'm trying to think. I'm still hopeful for the Boa alternate art. I really want Odin leader, and of course the manga shanks. Always elusive. There we go. Uncommons. And then 2 rares, Usopp and page 1. I hope you guys are having luck in finding these like I am. It has been quite treacherous. Well, not really treacherous, but you can find stuff that's not at good prices. I think that's the better way to put it. Of course, we got our regular Dawn card. Come on, there we go. I do see something shiny. Uncommons, rare, and Crocodile super rare. So first super rare of my boosters here. Nice. Let's hope the camera doesn't pick up on that. All right. Make some room. Again, normal Dawn. I need to keep this out of frame just so I can focus on the packs. Uncommons, rares, Ulti and Jinbei. Jinbei is probably one of my favorite non-alternate art rare cards. So good. Get this open carefully. Regular Dawn. Let's go in. Come on. There we go. Really takes its sweet time. I was having a problem in my last video where it just would not autofocus. Where it would autofocus for a second and it would keep searching after that. Zoro Leader, Nico Robin, and Punk Gibson for our rares. Are you guys excited for OPO2? The English release is upon us. We're less than a month out at this point. Right? Yeah, March 10th. I think that's when product starts getting delivered or being released for sale. And we have our Dawn card. Uncommons. Rares, nice. Doflamingo and King super rare. So, what are we? 5 packs in? I guess that's not bad. What, it's 8 super rares to a box usually. If I could get even close to that, I think that'd be an accomplishment in terms of pull rates for our loose boosters here. All right. Another Dawn. Uncommons, Kaido Leader, Okiku, and Jinbei for our rares. And oh, so maybe I shouldn't reveal the dons like that, but it even focuses. That probably means I have an alternate art leader in here, so might have spoiled that. Guys, there might be something in here. I should do it. I should reveal the Don like this when it's face down. Uncommons, rare. Ooh, and the Trafalgar Law. Alternate art leader. Get that a little closer. Awesome. So, first alternate art of our boosters. 7 booster packs in, still have 13 to go. As far as I'm concerned, this is a win. This is actually the second one that I've received. Let me put that over here. And again, card looks great. All right. Not bad, not bad. Put that over there. Put these over here. Can reveal the Dawn. right? Uncommons, Luffy Leader, and then our rares are Red Hawk and Okiku. Actually, I realize if I open it this way too, it'll be easy to determine if I get an alternate Dawn as well. So there's our Dawn. Uncommons. And then our rares are Red Hawk and Black Maria. Okay. And this is our 10th pack. So we're halfway through with this one. Again, if I get like any other alternate art, it'll be comparable to a booster box in my eyes. Okay. Hold on, it's not auto-focusing. There we go. Uncommons, Kaido Leader, Overheat, and Page 1. For our rares, uncommons. Our rares are Punk Gibson and Gecko Moria. Moving on. This is pack number 12 of 20. Dawn card. Uncommons. Our rares are Usopp and Beppo. Okay. Dawn card. There we go. Uncommons. Rares. Gecko Moria and Jack. Regular Dawn. Uncommons. Leader, Odin. And then our rares are Queen and Nico Robin. Regular Dawn. Uncommons. Rare. And another super rare. Got another king. Not bad. Kuma over here. Oh, wrong end. And there's our Dawn. Really takes its sweet time. All right. Uncommons. Rares. Oh, another super rare. Captain Kidd. Both look good. Uta and Captain Kidd. Let's leave this guy up. Right. Really blew through this. Got 4 more packs left. Well, I can already see probably it's a super rare. There's our Dawn. Uncommons. Rare Jinbei and super rare Boa. Nice. So another super rare to pack up here. All right. Oh. I didn't think we'd get one, but I'm happy I did get the C one. We do have the alternate art Dawn. It's nice that I could get one of these booster packs. So I'm sure you guys have seen this before. I will pack it up. Right. And the rest of the pack. Uncommons. And they're 2 rares, page 1 and Overheat. Okay. Regular Dawn. Uncommons. Monkey D. Luffy Leader, and then there's Usopp and Beppo. All right. Last pack. Hope there's something good in here. There's our Dawn. Uncommons. And our rares are Miss All Sunday and Black Maria. All right, and that wraps up all the packs I had. Let's see. Again, I don't expect much because there's single packs, but I think here are our pulls. We ended up getting 5 super rares. 5 super rares, 1 alternate Dawn, right? We got 2 kings. We can focus. We got 2 kings. We got a crocodile. You got a Eustace Captain Kidd. Got a Boa Hancock. I think it's focusing on Kid. Not Kid. Law. Goodness gracious. And then we got the alternate Dawn. And our alternate art at the 20 packs was Law. Law Leader. Still an awesome card to pull. I'm pretty happy with what I pulled. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will see if I can try to get packs, but we're kind of approaching the OPO2 release, and I'm sure it's going to be harder to find packs, packs that are out near MSRP, so it's probably not worth buying anymore, at least for me. Again, I will have a case of OPO2 to open that I'll probably get hopefully close to release date, which is March 10th. And I'll be opening those for you guys on this channel. But yeah, keep on the lookout in case I find more OPO1 cards to open up for you guys. I'll see you guys later. Have a great rest of your day.